2023 Telstra Best of Business Awards Tasmania Promoting Sustainable Award winner is Aqua Clean Tasmania. Well done.
It's a great honour. I haven't got a speech because I didn't have a clue that I was ever going to win anything. So, and even if I wrote one, I can't read my own writing. But anyway, we're only a small business that started in the Hilton Valley, which we're very proud of. And we started very different than any company, I reckon. And my brother and I'm not joking, our first blueprints were drew on the back of a beer carton, which was 5 years ago. Now we've got designers that work for us. Also, we use modelling, and we're always producing new products. And we're only a young business, but we are growing. I'd like to thank all the people that have helped us on the way. I'm not going to mention names because there's too many. I'd really like to thank our staff because we are a team. It's just not my brother and I. It is a team. And thank you very much.